This is a halogen light bulb, and if you'll notice, it's recessed inside the glass shade, making it very difficult to get out. These are the push and twist kind. And you have to push the bulb in, twist it, and then pull it out. And that's very hard to do in this case. Now, your case may be different, maybe more like this type of a shade, but you still have the same problem. Very little clearance in here to get a hold of things and twist. So if you have a problem with this, you need to watch this. This is a halogen light with the two bayonets on it. It's a push in and twist type thing. Now these are gradually being replaced with LED lights. And sometimes you'll find that the fixtures for these are such that they cover the end of the light, like my fingers are covering it. And there's barely any room to get your fingers in there to push and twist and pull it out. Now this is a real problem. Once these things are in there, they can be very difficult to get out. So I came up with a tool for this. And we have the tool. It's a little water on the end of this plastic suction cup. And if the light is in a recessed position, you can push it onto here and turn to get it out. This is a fairly strong fit. So sometimes what happens though with this is that you'll put the suction cup on and find out that the glass has come off. This glass piece on the end has come right out. And you're left with the bulb still stuck in the recess and you have no glass on it now. And what I did with that is a pair of needle nose pliers, very long and slender, and reach in and grab the rim and use that to make the turn and pull, and that gets it out. And once it's out and you put your replacement LED bulb in, you're going to notice that you can no longer use this tool because this edge is not flat. It will not grab a hold of that edge. It won't stick. So you'll have to deal with that when this burns out, but that's going to be a very long time because the LEDs last a really long time. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.